we are going to create our own aeromodel aircraft from scratch. It's exciting because by the end of the session, we'll get to see it fly.
As we were putting it together, we were learning how an aircraft flies. From wing to the tail, every part has an important role in how it flies.
This activity is helping us understand aviation concepts like lift, drag, thrust, weight, balance and stability, not just in theory but in hands-on operations.
And now comes the moment we all have been waiting for. It's time to launch our aeromodel and see if everything we have learned comes together in a flight.
Whether it flies perfectly or need few adjustments, every flight teaches us something new. That's the best part of aeromodeling. Learning by improving, building and testing.
Ever wanted to build an aircraft that actually takes a flight? Let us know in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Thank you.
Good. Welcome to Alliance School.